Good morning, students. Welcome back. Welcome back to the chapter of Boolean algebra. So, today's class we will be discussing K-maps and we will be discussing how to represent a POS expression, that is product of sum expression. So, today's session is chapter number 2, Boolean algebra, and part number 33. Let's quickly have a recap. So, previous class we studied about simplification of Boolean expression, minimization of Boolean expression using K maps, and we did it for 4 variables and in SOP expression, that is min terms. So let us see today what we will be learning. In today's session we will be learning simplification of Boolean expression or minimization of Boolean expression using K maps. So what is the difference? The difference is today we will be starting with POS expression, product of sum or max terms. So let's get started and let's see how we can represent a product of sum or max terms expression using K-map. Let us begin with the 2 variable K-map. So product of sum reduction using Korn map. So in POS reduction, each square of K-map represents a max term. Like in the previous example, each square represented a min term. Here each square will represent a max term. The Korn map is just the same as that of the used in SOP reduction. That means POS again different ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ K map same ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Min term ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ max term ಬರುತ್ತೆ. For a function of n variables, that means if there are n variables, if there are 2 variables, 2 to the power of 2, that is there will be 4 squares. If there are 3 variables, 2 to the power of 3, 8 squares we will be using. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So we will be using 16 squares. Like we used in min terms, here we will be using same process. Each square will represent one term. For a function of n variables, map would represent 2 to the power of n squares, each representing a max term. For POS reduction, map is filled with 0. Like SOPLA, we used to fill the map for the given expression using 1. Rest we used to put 0. But here opposite. Max term ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ಗೆ 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So for your syllabus you will be learning 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable K maps for POS expression. So first let us see the 2 variable K map. Suppose first I'll just write the truth table for 2 variables. So we have two inputs, x, the other input y. Then we have, so we are using max terms. Then we have designated terms. So x can be x can be 0, x can be 0, y can be 0, x can be 0, y can be 1, x can be 1 and y can be 0, and x can be 1 and y can be 1. So the max term will be, so reverse of min term, 0 idre hage baribeku, 1 idre bar hakbeku. So it will be x plus y, so this will be x plus y bar, then it is x bar plus y, then we have x bar plus y bar. It is m0, so we need to write capital M, m1, m2, then it is m3. So same thing we are representing here. This is, so this is m0, m1, m2, m3, that is x plus y, x plus y bar, x bar plus y ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x plus y, so we are representing here 0, m1, m2, m3, so we are representing m0 here, m1, so we are using capital M because we are writing the map for max terms. So m0 is x plus y, m1 is as you can see m1 is x plus y bar, and then m2 is x bar plus y, and m3 is x bar plus y bar. So hope you have understood representing K map for max term to variable. This is POS expression. It is not SOP, it is POS expression. So let's start the three variable map. So here we have the three variable K-map. Again you can observe here we have used the grayscale method. Grayscale is nothing but, so here you can see the last two are interchanged. So 2 and 3 are interchanged. So similarly here also you can see 6 and 7 are interchanged. These two columns needs to be interchanged, that is called grayscale method. Compulsorily we have to change. So here it is 0, 1, 3, 2. Then we have 4, 5, 6, 7 has to be interchanged. So here you can see we are representing x, here representing y plus z, y and z. x 0 ಇದ್ರೆ x ಬರಿಬೇಕು, x 1 ಇದ್ರೆ x bar ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So 0 0 means y plus z, 0 1 means y plus z bar, 1 1 is y bar plus z bar, then 1 0 is y bar plus z. So like this we will be representing a three variable minterm max term expression. As you can see we have three variables. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So we have 8 squares. Each square represents a max term expression. So here we have x because x is 0. Yz is 0. So it will be x plus y plus z. X is 0, y is 0 and z is 1. So z will be represented with a bar. So here it is x, y bar and z bar. X plus y bar plus z, x bar yz plus x bar yz bar, and then x bar y bar z bar plus x bar y bar plus z. So this is how we represent a three variable. This is the general K-map for three variable max terms or POS expression. Now let us see how we can represent a four variable K-map. So as you can see, four variables wx, w can be 0 and 1. As you can see here we are using the grayscale. 0, 1, 3 and 2 are exchanged, 4, 5, 6, 7 are exchanged, 8 and 12 are exchanged, 8, 9, 10, 11 is exchanged with 11 and 10. Similarly, these two are exchanged with 12, 13, 15 and 14. So here you can see w plus x plus y plus z, w plus x plus y plus z bar, w plus x plus y bar plus z bar. So you can see how we will be representing using the K-map for four variables. So let's start minimizing the expression for three variable for max terms. Again the numbers in the squares represent max terms. The subscript. Box with 1 represent M1, 6 represents M6 and so on. So same thing we will be interchanging. As you can see here, there is a interchange here. 3 2 are exchanged, 7 6 are exchanged, and 8 is exchanged with 12, and here again 14 and 15 are exchanged and 10 11 are exchanged. So one more similarity is the gray code. Gray code is nothing but the changes what I explained, that is 3 to 6 7 and 8 to 12, 14 15 and 10 11. So now these are the rules how we can derive a Boolean expression using K-map. So rules for deriving, it is same like SOP. Here also we are using the same maps, but we have to change the min terms to max terms. Then we can group it into 2, 4, 8, 16, that is pair, quads and octets. Later on, for the given Boolean expression, max term expression, we need to put 0 uh, instead of 1. In SOP, we are putting 1, but in POS, we have to put 0. So prepare the truth table for the given function. First, we need to draw an empty K-map for given function. If there are two variables used in the function, use two variable K-map. If there are three variables used, we need to draw three variable with 8 boxes. And if there are four variables, we have to use a map with four variable, that is 16 boxes. So expression ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು zeros ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, and the rest we have to put with 1. Here we have to group zeros, not ones. We have to group zeros in pairs, quads and octets. Here also we will be using the same map roll method, and overlap method is allowed. Then we can remove or avoid the redundant groups. We have to write the expression using AND operator. Whereas in SOP is sum of products. We use plus or operator. This is product of sum, so we will be using the AND operator. So let's get started and let's take one example, and then we will better understand this concept with this example. So here we are using three variables. They have already given a map. They have already marked some columns. Now let us reduce this POS expression using the K-map. So this will be B plus C and this will be B plus C bar, and this will be B bar plus C bar, so pair 2 is M1 and M3. So it is A plus B bar plus C bar, and then 3 is A B bar plus C bar, B bar plus C bar. Now let us write the common terms. The common terms in both the expression is A plus C bar. Now the simplified expression is B plus C ANDed with A plus C bar. Hope you have understood this, how we have to write how we can reduce the POS expression. So this is the simplified expression of the POS form. Hope you have understood this. So we'll just do it again. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3 exchange agide, 4, 5, 6, 7 exchange agide. So already they have given zeros. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು group ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. And as zeros cannot be formed, we can form two zeros as one group or four zeros as one group or 8. That is pair, quad and octets. Then we take pair 1, m0 and m4. Then we are writing the expression. Then we have pair 2, m1 and m3. This is the expression, and the simplified expression is b plus c added with a plus c bar. Now you can just go through here. These two we have made one group, and these two we have made one group, and this can be one more group that will form a redundant group. As 0 and 1, 0 and 4 we have used, and 1 and 3. So it is not required to again form a group of 0 and 1. ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be a redundant group. So we can form only two pairs, that is this can be one group and this can be one group, and this will be a redundant group. That is, this will be m0 and m4 will be pair 3, and 1 and 3, and this is, so 1 and 3 can be pair 3, 0, 4 is pair 2, this is pair 2, and 0 and 4 is pair 2, 1 and 3 is pair 3, and this is pair 1. As you can see, so pair 1 is a redundant group. Already 0 has been used and also 1 has been used. So there is one redundant group, that is pair 1. Its all zeros are encircled by others. So we have to remove this. So we will be removing this one, that is pair 1 we will be removing, as because all zeros are already used. The reduced expression will be b plus c and a plus c bar. This is the reduced expression what we will be getting. 3 group ಇದೆ, but this is not required because both are used. 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ we can use it. So hope you have understood today's session, that is marking of POS expression on K-map using 2 variable and 3 variable. Next class ali we will be working with 4 variables POS expression. So we will learn how we can reduce a POS expression in 4 variable using K-map. So thanks for your patience listening. Have a great day ahead. God bless you.